If you want to turn on your music, now is the time to do that. I'm going to be holding a rose quartz as a proxy. All right, and this is only to keep my focal point here and the intention very clear in my mind that everyone who joins live or later will receive what they need for their highest good at this point in time. So whether you're standing or sitting or laying down, it doesn't matter. Just allow your body to find a place of comfort. And just breathe any way you want. And know that just for today, I will be anger free. And I release my repeated narrative that holds me in a state of anger. And between the comfort of my body and the ease of my breath, I release my repeated habit of being in an anger-filled state. And wherever your mind goes, it's okay. Notice where it went. Thank yourself for this awareness moment. And allow your energy to elevate to higher healing frequencies. While you release your repeated narrative that formerly kept you in a state of anger. Between the comfort of your body and the ease of your breath, you feel relief from releasing your historic pattern of being in an anger state. I release my repeated narrative and embrace the present moment, enjoying the comfort of my body and the ease of my breath. And as I focus on this present moment, I feel my innate connection to universal life force energy amplify and enhance, allowing me to release any held anger. And if your mind has wandered, it's okay. Notice where it went. Thank yourself for this awareness and realign with the comfort of your body and the ease of your breath in this present moment where you are released from any repeated narratives involving anger. In this present moment, I choose to release any repeated habits, monologues, narratives that internally feed anger. And at the same time, I embrace this present moment, feeling my innate connection to universal life source for my highest good. Wherever your mind goes, note its contents. Thank yourself for being aware. and then between the comfort of your body and the ease of your breath, release any historic anger. Feel your energy rise toward higher healing frequencies in accordance with your highest good at this point in time. And know that just for today, I am anger free. All right, for those of you who have been here since the beginning, we've been going for just over 11 minutes. You may be in a position to fall asleep now, and that's fine. You may still be feeling the connection and the movement of energy in and around your body. Simply allow it to continue to meet the intention for this session.